In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Webflow in a simple and effective manner. This will allow you to manage your e-commerce functionalities on Shopify while leveraging the design capabilities of Webflow to create beautiful and custom websites. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Webflow website where you can create a custom site using its visual website builder. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But for this tutorial, I'll assume you've already got one. Once you're there, click on the Login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be redirected to your Webflow dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, it's time to find the project you'd like to work on. Click on Dashboard if you're not already there, and then select the specific project you want to integrate Shopify into. This is where you'll start adding elements related to your Shopify store. Once you've opened your project, look for the Add Elements button, typically found in the Designer panel. By clicking this, you'll open up the range of elements that Webflow offers. In this tutorial, we'll specifically focus on incorporating a button. So in the search bar, type Button and hit Enter. The next step is simple yet crucial. Click on the button element to bring it into your design workspace. You'll want to position this button strategically on your web page where you feel it'll provide the most value to your users. Design it to be attractive and align with the overall theme of your website. With your button in place, direct your attention to the settings where you'll be able to attach a URL. This step involves connecting the button to your Shopify store, so it acts as a gateway for users interested in viewing or purchasing your products. To find the Shopify embed code, you'll need to go to your Shopify admin panel. Look for the embed code, commonly located in your Shopify store's share settings. Once you've found it, copy it. Return to Webflow, and in the URL settings of your button, paste the Shopify embed code. This action links your button directly to your Shopify store, allowing seamless transitions for users from your Webflow site to your Shopify e-commerce platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated Shopify with Webflow. This integration will provide you with the best of both worlds: stunning design from Webflow and the robust e-commerce capabilities of Shopify. By combining these tools, you're well on your way to running an efficient and visually captivating online store. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.